Hi, this is Scott with MyTech USA. Here's a tip for using MyCAD, MyTech's free downloadable 3D software. Grouping is used to combine parts to create a subgroup within a design. This subgroup can be named, changed to a different color, or manipulated as a single component. Select multiple objects with the Control key and left mouse button, or by holding down the left button on the mouse and dragging the window created around the objects you want to select. Select the Group Ungroup function under the Edit drop-down menu and name your group per the pop-up window. You can then manipulate the group by moving it, making copies of it, or rotating it. Finally, find the Select from Scene function either from the drop-down menu, under Edit, or in the toolbar across the top of the page with the paper and arrow icon where you can then view your groups. Doors created from the Door function are the only automatically grouped product in MyCAD. Thank you for viewing using MyTech and MyCAD. Please check out our other videos or visit our website for product information, distributors, and software downloads.